The Trinidad and Tobago Taxi Drivers Network has made a few recommendations to the Ministry of Works and Transport on how they should proceed with legalizing private for-hire or PH drivers. However, they claim they have not met with the minister to discuss the recommendations since submitting a letter in August 2020. Kimberly De Souza has more in this report.
PH is illegal. Get your taxi badge and become a legitimate taxi driver.
This from President of the Trinidad and Tobago Taxi Drivers Network, Adrian Acosta, who reiterated there is a process in place for PH drivers to obtain a taxi badge. The process includes obtaining a certificate of good character, completing regulations and a driving test, and getting clearance from a doctor. Mr. Acosta said he made recommendations to the Minister of Works and Transport, Mr. Rohan Sinanan, in an effort to ease the application process of becoming a legal taxi driver.
Right, one, we have asked them to remove all the the finances for 6 months. So those who are complaining don't have the money to do it, that would bring them in, right? Two, we have said put a route number on all taxi stands so that in the event that a PH driver becomes a legal taxi driver, he won't leave the environment that he's working. He would stay there.
With over 40 different taxi associations in the country, Mr. Acosta said they are willing to allow PH drivers to work their routes, but it must be done in the legal way. Mr. Acosta said they have also made recommendations about rules that can regulate the PH industry to be in a better position to serve the public. They also raised the issue of H drivers being barred from entering the city. A senior official at the Ministry of Works and Transport told us they met with various taxi officials in July. And to ensure proper representation of the drivers' issues, the network was asked to develop a unified umbrella association to govern them. The ministry said it continues to review the concerns of the network in addition to the overarching transportation system. As such, the ministry is in the process of implementing a robust consultation process with key stakeholders, which includes the network. The network is hosting a meeting on February 27th to discuss a way forward. Kimberly De Souza, TTT News.